Hi, boys and girls, please follow along with me. I am going to say a word. I want you to tell me 3 words that rhyme with it. Okay, your first word is tank. What rhymes with tank? You could say thank, blank, prank. What rhymes with less? Chess, bless, press. What rhymes with eat? You could say sheet, treat, sweet. Now I'm going to say a word. I want you to repeat the word and then tell me just the first sound in the word. So I say scarecrow. You say scarecrow. S. Classic. Classic. K. Priceless. Priceless. P. Twisted. Twisted. T. Glitter. Glitter. G. Okay, now I'm going to say sounds. I want you to blend them together to make a word. G-r-eat. Greet. B-r-ush. Brush. K-r-op. Crop. B-r-anch. Branch. Frog. Frog. Grand. Grand. Press. Press. Fresh. Fresh. Broke. Broke. Cramp. Cramp. All right, now I am going to say a word. I want you to repeat the word and then tell me the middle sound in the word. Meat. You say meat, E, and it's long. It says its name. Nut. Nut, a short vowel. Tame. Tame, a long. Best. Best, short. Sit. Sit, short. Coat. Coat, o long. Cute. Cute, u long. All right, now I'm going to say a word. I want you to tell me all the sounds in the word. I say brave. You say brave. Fragile. Fragile. Gray. Gray. Praise. Praise. Cradle. Cradle. Bright. Bright. Crumbs. Crumbs. Breeze. Breeze. Frost. Frost. Grease. Grease. Say rice, add p. Price. Say rain, add d. Drain. Say raise, add g. Graze. Say rush, add b. Brush. Say ride, add p. Pride. Say round, add k. Crown. Say rip, add g. Grip. Say braid without b. Raid. Say crib without k. Rib. Say broom without b. Room. Say greed without g. Read. Say prince without p. Rinse. Say cradle without k. Radle. Say brain without b. Rain. Say crash without k. Rash. Say prize without p. Rise. Say grow without g. Row. Say drab, change der to cur. Crab. Say smash, change sm to tur. Trash. Say brim, change bur to tur. Trim. Say dry, change der to fur. Fry. Say treat, change tr to sw. Sweet. Say plug, change pull to sn. Snug. Say crush, change cur to burr. Brush. Say clock, change col to tur. Truck. Say brag, change burr to full. Flag. All right, friends, now I am going to show you some cards with letters or sounds on them, letters or letter combinations. I want you to say the letter and the sound it makes, but no keyword. So instead of a, apple, we just say a. Okay, so here's your first one. A. You say it, and then I will say it to make sure you got it right. E. I. O. U. C. K. C. H. Ch. W. H. W. T. H. S. H. Sh. F. F. S. 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 L. 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 C. R. Cur. D. R. Dr. B. R. Brr. T. R. Tr. P. R. Pr. G. R. Gr. F. R. Fr. Good job, boys and girls. Have a great day.